Hello everyone. Question 11. Which of the following complex number is equivalent to this equation? Okay, so now complex number, we're going to use complex conjugate. Okay, so in the complex conjugate, whenever you have a situation where you have two terms in the denominator, and out of those two terms, one of them is either an I or radical, you want to use this method. Okay, so the conjugate is the same thing as the denominator with the opposite sign. Okay, so what am I saying is that, so 3/5i over 8 plus 2i, the denominator, you put 8 negative 2i because it's opposite, so, and then do the same thing for both side. Okay, now, so this is the complex conjugate. So let's, yep, solve this. So 8 times 3 first, and then 3 times negative 2i, and then 5 times 8, and 5 times, oh sorry, negative 5i times 8, and then negative 5i times negative 2i. Wait, did I say a? I think I say a, sorry, it's I. Okay, so do this for the bottom, exact same thing, and then yes. Okay, so now, so 3 times 8, 24, 3 times negative 2i, 6i, negative 5i times 8 is negative 40i, and then positive 10i squared. And then for the bottom, 8 times 8, 64, 8 times negative 2i is 16, negative 16i, and then 2 times 2i times 8 is positive 16i, and then negative 4i squared. Okay, so now so 24 negative 46i, and then plus 10i. Right, bottom 64 is 0, so negative 4i squared. Good. So now another super important property to know is that I squared is equals to negative 1. So on the top, that's going to give us 10 times negative 1. So 10 times negative 1, what is it? It's negative 10. Maybe I can change the color. Wait, I'm gonna highlight this, and then so 10 times negative 1 is negative 10, right? So it should be negative 10 right here. Okay, and on the bottom, 4 times negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 1, right? So 64 is positive 4, because so what was it? Negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4, right? So yes, like this. So now we can add this. So 24, so 14 minus 46i, and then 68. Okay, so another valuable property here is if you ever have anything in the format of like A plus B over C, you should know that it can be expanded out into A over C plus B over C. Okay? You should definitely remember this. Okay, I'll just put right here. Good? Alright. No. I'll just put it right here. Okay. So that you can write it in 1468 plus, no, sorry, minus, because it's minus right here, minus 46i over 68. Right? Let's simplify. So 2, so let's divide it by 2. 2, so 7 and 34. Negative minus 23i over 34. Okay? So this is equivalent to C, right? So the C is the answer.